The reason co-managed solutions can be great for in-house IT teams is because where in-house teams may lack certain specialized skills, we have dedicated experts.
The IT services that ThrottleNet provides is really our motto, business IT everything. So everything from tier 1 support all the way up to strategic consulting with our VCIOs. In a co-managed plan, you don't necessarily need tier 1 support, you already have that in-house.
A common misconception when you talk in terms of co-managed IT is that we're there to take over. And the reality is we are not there to take over, we are there to supplement what is there now and make them better.
ThrottleNet has a lot of co-managed clients that have their own internal IT staff. A lot of those clients handle a lot of their own support, so they really rely on ThrottleNet for project management and for implementation of new technology.
We can implement award-winning cybersecurity where we'll manage the back end of it, but yet you still manage your IT day to day, and use us as much or as little as you like.
There are occasionally those projects that occur maybe once in a lifetime. What you typically don't want to do is send your best IT person off to training for 6 months when you can just make that investment in a third party like us with a team of experts that are already trained and educated.
ThrottleNet actually pays for employee certifications, and we even provide days of study time to keep up with the newest technology or to get certified in the newest and the latest and greatest.
As an internal IT team, you're limited by your environment, what you're doing, and what you've known. When you partner with ThrottleNet, you have access to all this experience and expertise.
ThrottleNet has a lot of tools, including our ticketing system, that we can put your internal IT staff into, and they can be working tickets internally in the same system that we do.
So in the event their team cannot resolve and remediate an issue internally, they can leverage our ticketing system to then pass it right through to our team, and then we in turn can help them to resolve that issue and pass it right back to them.
Maybe you don't have the finances or means to have like a true CIO, so we can come in with a VCIO.
VCIO stands for Virtual Chief Information Officer. We're here to absorb your business needs. We want to learn about you, your company, your history, your future plans.
The role of the VCIO is to be a strategic consultant to ensure IT strategy is in line with their business goals. A new role that we've recently introduced is the ACE, or the Alignment and Compliance Engineer. This individual works very closely with the VCIOs and it ensures that our partners are in line with ThrottleNet's best standards as well as cybersecurity best standards.
Our goal is to help the organization be better, more efficient, and secure while leveraging the resources they currently have through the team that they have in place.